I survived another nail day. Today was really hard for me because I started my cycle and I really did not want to work today. But I had a full day of clients and I could not cancel on all of them. So we've officially made it to the end of the day. Room is a mess. So no one ever talks about what your room looks like after a full day of clients. So I'm about to show you guys mine. So this is what it's looking like. And this is typically what it looks like after a long day's work, sometimes worse if I have a client that ends the day with a lot of nail art. But we're gonna go ahead and clean all this up because I also had to be up really early tomorrow. I have another full day and I just want to make sure that I'm ready to go and I don't have to rush to get ready before my first client of the morning.